Hey guys, Dean here from Big Dog Builds. While the guys are finishing off this brand new F truck, I thought I'd give you a quick rundown of what we've done. As you know, the most popular upgrade here at Big Dog Builds and what we're most proud of is that superior ride performance. So this one's got the Carli 3.5 inch Pintop leveling kit, so 3.5 inch in the front. We've got a few different options for the rear end depending on the weight of the truck, how the customer wants it to sit, and the best sort of overall ride. This one being a Tourer with a little smart cap on the back. We've then gone and done the airbags in the rear, but in the front end, I'll give you a little show of what we've done. Method 312 machined wheels with the Yokohama 35, 12.5, 18 tyres. These Yokies are proving really good with the load rating. So they're a 128Q for an 18 inch wheel, which is great. You got your Pintop shocks in there, so King's 2.5 shocks. You got your coils. Every front end Ford setup has got slightly different sway bar conversions, the way that they're doing the steering boxes. So front end of the Fords, depending on who's done the conversion, where the steering box is located, whole different setup in the front end. You got sway bars that are changing. Even the same remanufacturers seem to do slight little upgrades here. So we carry a few different spare parts for the front end to make sure that we can dial in the F trucks. It's probably the most challenging out of all the HD trucks to get right. But this one with the sway bar end links from Carli, you can maintain them, they're going to be great. We've also got the low mount steering stabilizer on there, which has also got the diff guard. So protecting that underside, good quality components that are serviceable. You can remove the King's 2.5 inch shocks, give them a service every 12 months, depending on how much you're using the vehicle. Oil change, check the seals, and the things will probably last longer than the truck, to be honest. So this one already had the Off-Road Creative front bar on it. We'll swing around to the rear. Alex has just finished off the airbag install in the back, so we've gone for the double bellow airbags. Double bellow airbags on this. Depending on the height of the rear, we've got a few different airbag options. So this one's got the double bellow airbags going on. The King's 2.5 remote res shocks in the rear here, obviously, as well. And we're doing a GVM upgrade, so these HD Fords we can upgrade to the max axle load rating combined. So front axle, rear axle combined rating, we can get to that in the NV2 National Heavy Vehicle category. And then to finish this one off, we've got long range fuel tank going up underneath as well this afternoon, if not first thing in the morning. So that's a Titan replacement fuel tank. On the Chevy, the Ram and the Ford, you get it roughly 70 to 80 litres of extra fuel capacity with these Titan OEM replacement tanks. The good bit about them is it stays in the factory location. You don't have all that weight over the rear axle with the spare wheel delete tanks. So having the fuel tank in there and then tow bar receiver on the back, we're going for the Gen Y hitch combo. So 7-ton combo, 2.5 inch receiver, which we throw in the reducing sleeve into the hitch. Couple lockable pins on the back there, and this one's in and out nice and quick with some awesome upgrades. So if you've got an F truck on order, they're definitely getting more and more popular here in Australia. This one, Performax conversion, drives great with this Carli Pintop suspension kit. It's going to be amazing. I look forward to seeing yours.